What? Hey, honey. What are you doing? You're sleeping on top? It's not summer. What are you doing up there, huh? You trying to get away from the other two? Are you hot? What's going on? He's like, I'm done being in this box. Okay, let's check on the other two. Okay, let's keep them warm and safe. Okay, here's the thing. My girls like to be outside of the coop, and I've noticed that other chicken keepers, their coops are exposed to the outdoors. They have a cover like I do, and their girls sleep outside. So do I let her stay outside? Or I put her back in the coop, which is what I think I'm really actually going to do. Even though I let them sleep outside, inside the run during the summer, I know in the winter that the predators are more prevalent because they are extra hungry. So I feel safer keeping her in the coop. That's a good girl. That's a good girl, see? That's a good girl. Okay. We're gonna open this up and put you in. There's some eggs though. There's some eggs. Yay, keep her winged in. Yay. So I believe that is Mary. And that is Rose. Light, dark. Cute. Okay. I see somebody right there. Hi. Hi. What you doing? Any more eggs? Any more eggs? Nothing. Thank you, ladies. Have a good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. You don't say. Let's not forget, very mandatory that I do this. I got the feeder. Well, thank you for joining me, tucking in the girls, all the days you do, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Until next time, bye-bye.